Hello, everyone. My name is Steve Worthy. I am CEO of Worthy Retail U, an executive coaching firm focused in on retail leaders. I am also a host of Retail Leadership with Steve Worthy, the live stream and audio podcast that's focused on helping retail leaders communicate better, understand their culture so that they can advance their career. I have the distinct pleasure of being a VIP speaker at the Creators Unleashed Conference, September 8th and 9th at 4 p.m. That's 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, September 8th and 9th. Here's the thing. If you are like me, you are an executive coach, you are somebody that's an entrepreneur, and you are just going about your business and you are just connecting with people, helping them grow, and you feel like you're not a creator. That was me. I can firmly believe and tell you that I felt that I was not a creator in any of the sense. However, until I truly understood what a creator was. A creator is a person who brings something into existence. And dare I say, they bring something into existence that wasn't there before. And the reason I say that it wasn't there before, because it wasn't you who was bringing it into the existence. You have your own unique style. You have your own unique personality. And that is what this conference is all about. It's about helping you understand who you are as a creator, taking who you are and giving it to the world. Because here's the one thing that I know. Here's the one thing that I know. Someone is out there waiting for your message. Someone's out there waiting to hear what you have to say. And if you don't create it, if you don't do it, guess what? They're going to be stuck because you haven't done your part. This conference is loaded with amazing people in so many different diverse backgrounds. It's so important. It's so important that you come to this conference. The seats are filling up quickly. Please register at jphightek.com/CCU right now. I'll see you soon, and God bless.